Okay, guys, here we go. I want to show you what I've been working on. I've been putting a lot of time into these. This is a new project for Roberto Blake. He's great to work with, and I'm doing these set of illustrations for him, sort of in a new style, an updated style. And so here's the final results of what I've been working on. And if you guys are interested, I might do more of a behind the scenes and show you how the Photoshop files are set up and all that kind of stuff. But basically all the drawing was done by hand and then vectorized. I used Figma to do the final line work. From there it's then exported, and then I used Krita, or you could use Photoshop or whatever you want, to do all the coloring and shading, rendering, and export them from there. So this is what we've got. So we did several different ones. This is all Roberto's idea, and he just gave me the emojis, like the Facebook emojis, to basically use as reference, and so that we're creating together a set of visual assets that he'll be able to use with his branding, with his videos, etc., and hopefully get some great use out of them. So here's the first few here, and then here's 4 more. This kind of shocked or surprised one, and then laughing, LOL, angry. I think that one's annoyed or worried or puzzled. I can't remember, but then we got some starry-eyed ones, dollar signs, dizzy, tired. And then I exported these all also as with just the face, so he could seriously use them just sort of as like a sticker icon emoji. And so this just the head isolated. I put a little bit thicker outline on the heads to help them stand out a little bit more, especially if he was using them smaller. There's the first 6 there. The next set. So again, these are just the heads of what I've already showed you, the full body poses of each of these. So, and then we did a flexible. It's a one Photoshop file that has all of these different layers in it. So he'll be able to export all of those, or I also gave him PNGs of all of these as well. That has a shirt color that's editable, so he can just go in and change the shirt color to whatever he wants. It's really flexible, really easy and quick to use that way. But this way, anytime he wants to talk about these milestones for YouTube, he's got his own sort of customized avatar that he can also edit and customize even further from there. Then he had this idea of doing the one that has sort of his head as a lid and ideas coming out of it. And so I did a couple of different expressions on the face with his hat sort of opening up and it's empty, and that will allow him to Photoshop in whatever he wants coming out of it, whether it's like the Photoshop icons or just all kinds of things he could use. And I just put together an example with some animated GIF images of just sort of this brain explosion of ideas, as Roberto is full of great ideas. And I just want to echo his message to always be create something awesome today. And thank you for the opportunity to work with you once again. You're just fabulous always to work with. If you guys don't follow Roberto, make sure you follow him. Check the description for the links to his YouTube channel. He does some great stuff if you're into YouTube. He's got amazing insights for you, and if you're creative in general, I encourage you, highly recommend, go and follow him. Subscribe. Do it. Go do it right now. Stop watching this. Go do it right now. Go do it right now. All right. Thanks, Roberto. Thank you guys for watching to the end. Bye for now.